Hello friends, welcome to my new channel. Let us do market analysis for tomorrow's session, that is 28 August 23. So first of all, we will be looking at the major trend. For that, I have opened this monthly time frame chart. Mm, So as you can see, major trend is upside. This current month candle is in formation. The expiry is due for yeah, this week. So currently, you can see this bearish engulfing pattern is in formation for this monthly time frame chart. So let us look at the weekly chart now. So weekly chart also market has continuously made four five candles, red candles in a row. So the short term trend is downside. So let us go and see the daily time frame chart. So as you can see, the market structure of lower high and lower low is still intact. In fact, in last week, market was trying to change this structure from this lower high to higher high, but it looks like this attempt has failed. So let us look at the recent shut of buying and shut of selling levels. So the recent shut of buying level is 19,584, which is higher than earlier level of 19,484. As you can see, this 19,584 level, this is greater than this recent shut of buying level of 19,482. Also this recent shut of selling level, you can call it as a swing high or swing low level also. So this swing low level of 19,253, so on Friday's session it has got breached and market has made new low of 19,229. So clearly this lower high lower low structure is now intact. So the prior trend, short-term trend of downside is still intact. So the reason we are looking at the prior trend is because we want to align ourselves into the direction of the current auction. Because when we are trading in the direction of the current auction, it is easy, and when we are trading against the current auction direction, it can be possible, but it requires more skills to gauge the reversal of the current auction direction. That is only possible for the one day. So now current auction is on downside, so it may last for the 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. So we never know when the reversal will come. So every day we cannot anticipate the reversal and trade in the opposite direction. So better to align ourselves in the current auction direction only uh, for the trading. So that is why we are looking at the prior trend. So now let us look at the Friday's session. What has happened on Friday's session? For that, I will open this 5 minute time frame chart. Let us look at the opening and closing levels of the Friday's session. So on Friday, opening was at 19,297 level. That is, you can see a gap down of minus 89 points. It has made a high of 19,339 in B period, that is in this period. Again market has got reversed and made low of 19,229 in C period. Okay, so the range was minus 110, and market eventually closed at 19,265, that is minus 1. Just a minute. So market closed at 19,265, that is minus 121 points, that is minus 0.62 percentage. So the market has made this excesses in this B period and C period, and for the entire duration of this session it was auctioning between these excesses only to find a fair price. And in L period actually it has tried to move downside and closed eventually at 19,265 level. So day profile type was a D type, you can see. So at both the excesses there was rejection. So there was not any presence of the smart players, you can say. So only short-term buyers and sellers were present. They kept auctioning between these excesses only. So let us now look at the opening type. So clearly opening was below value and range. So market opened below this Thursday's value and range. So clearly the opening was in favor of the current downside auction. Uh, so there was a trade opportunity on upside levels. When current auction is downside and market tries open below this range and value and tries to move upside, then we should find trade opportunities at higher level, because there will be some responsive selling coming at the higher levels. Okay, then this there was a gap down of 89 points, that is also sustained. This PDL level was breached at the opening itself. You can see this PDL previous day low level also breached at the opening itself, and it was sustained. So there was a negative close. There was no range extension. The initial balance market closed within this initial balance range only. So clearly there was no presence of any long-term buyers or sellers, no range extension. Close was below previous day range. The market closed at previous day range only, below previous day range. So auction clearly remains downside. This value has moved downside. The POC level, point of control level, also moved downside. So clearly auction, current auction is downside only. So what should be the trade plan for the tomorrow's session? So downside auction is in continuation only. So we should not take any upside trade till confirmation of the reversal of auction. Okay, and how we will get to know that this reversal will happen? Actually, if opening is not below this value, means the value and range. If gap down open is not there, that is the first sign that current downside auction is showing some weakness. If market opens within this range and does not open below this value and range, that is the first sign that there is weakness in the downside auction. So if market opens within this range and value and range, we should not take any downside trade. And if market is able to breach the previous day low of 19,229, then only we should attempt to take the downside trade. And for the upside trade, we can actually, if market opens between this range, then uh, there is weakness in the downside option, but I think we should not attempt to take upside trade until this breach of the this PDH level. So until there is clearly confirmation based on the price action that market is going to reverse to upside, there should not be upside trade. So that is my view for tomorrow's session. Thank you for watching. Good luck.